Hi guys, it's Megan. Today we'll be making cranberry sauce. Some people serve it cold, some people serve it room temperature, some people serve it warm. I personally kind of prefer it warm. Also, cranberry sauce is sometimes canned. You don't want the canned. There is nothing like some fresh, amazing cranberries. Let's get started. First, I'm going to reserve 1 cup of cranberries. You should really wash them off first. Next is a cup of frozen fruit. I'm using a blend of strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, but you could use anything you like. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of either red wine or I'm using champagne. 3/4 cup of either orange juice or apple juice. The zest of a lemon. Of a lemon. Be careful not to get the seeds. I'm gonna take those out first. A seed won't kill you though. The juice of a lemon. Now we're gonna take this to the stove to start simmering. Oops, I forgot a spatula. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. The lemon smells amazing. At this point, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of each pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon. You could use just nutmeg or just cinnamon or just allspice. This is just what I'm doing today. I've got all of my ingredients together. Now this is gonna simmer over medium heat for around 10 to 20 minutes. At the end of that timer, I'm gonna add my last cup of cranberries so I get a nice mixture of more thick cranberry sauce with some fresh. I'll see you when this is done. All right, this has been coming up to simmering for the last 10 minutes. All the berries are starting to pop. As you can see here, it is simmering quite nicely. I'm gonna go through and continue to smash all of these down a little bit. I am also going to add the rest of the cup of berries now. Just a few more minutes of these cooking together and then it's gonna be ready. The cranberries are a thick consistency. It's ready to be put in the container to be reheated or served cold on this special day. As you can see, there's some thicker juice, and then we have our second added fresh cranberries. It's gonna be a nice mixture of almost jello-like consistency with fresh fruit pieces. This really brings back the memories. I can't wait to dig in. This smells so fallish, so holiday season, just amazing, just amazing. I can't even with this, it smells so good. I would eat it right now if I wasn't afraid of burning my tongue. I will let this wait, I will let the flavors meld, and we will come back to this on the special day. I have some really great memories making this, and I hope you all can make this some of your great memories too. It's really worth it. It's so easy. I hope you all have a great holiday season and have a lot of fun and be safe with your family. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more content like this. If you tried this recipe, please let me know by leaving a comment below. Until next time, bye! Whoa! That still has some oomph to it. At the